Hello and welcome to the math puzzle series. Here in this figure we want to find the value of x and value of y. Value of x and y we want to find. So here we can see this is a quarter of a circle. The quarter of a circle, and this one is the radius. This is also the radius. So radius radius r equal to 12 plus y. This this should be equal to this because both are radius, so this should be equal to 16 plus x. So we will have 12 minus 16 is equal to x minus y. So x minus y equal to minus 4. This is first equation. If we will look carefully, we will find this is also radius of the circle. And how will we find this value? So using Pythagoras theorem, this is a triangle. So by using Pythagorean theorem, this length of green line is nothing but radius, and this is equal to radius r. And using Pythagoras theorem, this r will be equal to 12 square plus this 16 will be equal to this 16. This will be 16 square. So r will be 12 square plus 16 square. So this will be 144 plus 16 square, which will be equal to 256. This equal to 256 plus 144 will be equal to 400. This will be equal to 20. So here we will have 12 plus y, which is the radius, equal to 20. So y equal to 20 minus 12, which is equal to 8. Similarly, another radius, this radius, which is equal to 16 plus x. This should be also equal to this radius, which we calculated 20. So 16 plus x is equal to 20. X is equal to 20 minus 16. X is equal to 4. So our answer is x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 8. So y is equal to 8 and x is equal to 4. This is the answer.